Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn coding in high school. Begin by exploring popular languages such as Python or JavaScript, which are excellent for beginners. Many free online platforms offer interactive lessons and projects to get you started quickly. Consider joining a school coding club or enrolling in computer science courses to gain structured learning and peer support. These steps will build a strong foundation for your coding journey. Once you grasp the basics, start building your own small projects to solidify your understanding. This practical application is crucial for learning. Look for opportunities to contribute to open-source projects, which can provide valuable experience working with a team. Participating in hackathons is another fantastic way to challenge yourself, learn new technologies, and collaborate with other aspiring coders. Consistent practice is key to improvement. As you progress, delve into more advanced computer science concepts, such as data structures and algorithms, to deepen your knowledge. Networking is also vital. Join online coding communities or attend virtual meetups to connect with experienced developers. Seeking a mentor can provide invaluable guidance, helping you navigate complex challenges and offering insights into potential career paths. Continuous learning and connection will accelerate your growth. To further your coding journey, consider pursuing internships or part-time coding jobs to gain professional experience. Building a strong portfolio that highlights your best projects is essential for demonstrating your skills to potential employers or colleges. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, as well as other helpful deals. Keep learning and building, and your coding future will be bright.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.